G'day, talking a little bit about relations now. Now, carrying on from before, a function is actually a subset of relations. It means all of the different types of functions actually are relations as well. Now, there are 4 types of relations. Before we go into those, we need to know what a relation is. Basically, it's a relationship, and those relationships can be described in 3 ways, either as a set of points using set notation, some sort of graph, or maybe by using a rule. So there are 4 types. I'm going to describe those 4 types in way of a graph. So we've got here x's and y's, and we're going to look at how the different types of relations can be described as a relation of how many x's for how many y's. So a one-to-one function means that for every 1 x there's 1 y and vice versa. So they're basically lines like this. A one-to-many relation is basically where for 1 x there are many y's, and that could look like something like this: 1 x value, but it would have multiple y values at that point. Now, a many-to-one relationship means for every 1 y there are many x's. So here's 1 y, and I draw my line across. I can see that there are 3 possible x values. Or a many-to-many relationship is where I'd have many x's and many y's within them. Interestingly, this first column here, where the one-to-one and the many-to-one, those 2 are the functions. So of my 4 relations, 2 of those could be functions. As we have a little quick walk around, that's all we're going to talk about for relations. That's what you need to know for relations.